neglected to tell you guys one thing. It's been a secret.
Hold on, hold on.
Ashley and I are going to Disney! We're going down for the weekend. We've got just
I'd be like tip tracker.
A long free weekend. Our annual passes run out in July, and we want as much Disney as possible between now and July.
Ooh, my sweater just ripped.
Disney weekend. Here we go.
Yay!
And we're off. Officially in Florida, taking a stretch and bathroom break.
Yeah. Well, I guess we don't.
Rest stop. Doesn't smell very good. I'm getting the my ankle is cramping up from driving. Driving long distances is slightly painful. Ready to get back in the car?
Okay.
We're like 2.5, 3 hours away from Disney.
Wow, really? It's going by so quickly.
Maybe not. I really don't know. That was just a guess. Sort of a question. We are making some backseat sandwiches, getting ready to get back on the road. You have to find every single way to save money on vacation. Here we go. Most magical place on earth.
Yay!
Walt Disney World, where dreams come true. Woo! We made it to Disney. We made it to Disney. We made it to Animal Kingdom. We chose Animal Kingdom because it's one of the smaller parks, and we only have half a day. Today, at least.
Yeah, but when we say like half day, really it's like good.
Good.
Love your flowers. They're about
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Where do you go, man?
Ashley, what are you most excited for today at Animal Kingdom? Everest?
Well, always.
Of course.
Whoa.
We have our first Fast Pass today. We made it literally just in time. It ends in like 15 minutes. Going on Dinosaur.
Yeah!
But look at that tree. Dino! That's not our dino. That's definitely not our dino. We're gonna get the iguanodon and get out. No, it says 45 minutes, but I don't think that's a 45-minute wait. I've also never been in here for the entirety of this show. They do like a show in this atrium. I always walk straight through. Sounds informative. I love the smells of Disney. Dinosaurs a very specific smell. Fog machines.
It smells like fog.
Yeah.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. Okay. Now, let's go get that dino.
I like the back.
Yeah, if you don't want to ride dinosaur, go in the back row in the middle seats.
Middle seats.
Only one.
World. She's only been on it once.
Oh, it's 10 minutes. Yeah.
The end is near. Uh-oh. Right, Asha, was that intense enough for you?
You know?
Because we can do something a lot more intense.
Really?
Yeah.
It has some
We
drops.
can explore
Climb Mount
Everest. But I don't know if we necessarily climb it. We can go on an expedition.
We sit up Mount Everest.
We sit up the Everest.
We sit up the Everest.
Front row.
I can't believe it. Well, have we got we got
I don't think so. You can see over.
Oh my gosh.
Oh look, it's Epcot.
Yeah, it's Magic Kingdom over there.
Yeah.
Cool. Wow.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Everything. Know what I'm talking about? What can a man say when in love walked on?
That was so awesome. And
Big smile, 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna go, oh, yes!
just like that.
Hi, how are you? Come on up.
I had a good surprise face. I've been practicing my whole life for that. So this weekend is the grand opening of Pandora, or Avatar Land for some people, in Animal Kingdom. We didn't necessarily come this weekend because it's the grand opening, but it was sort of just happenstance. So it'll open tomorrow morning. There's like a bunch of security and stuff outside of it, so we can't really get into it right now. But I think we're gonna try to come back Monday morning and come see it. So I'm very excited. I've heard it's fantastic. A classic, the Festival of the Lion King. cylinders.
Yeah. It's not like normal pellet rice. Oh my gosh, your plate is
We've got some dinner here. I got a chicken skewer. It's perfect because a lot of theme park food like hamburgers, hot dogs, just make you feel bloated. So this is nice. Bloated. So this is nice, like, light eating.
I don't even know what these beans are, but they're pretty good.
Disney leaves literally nothing unnoticed.
So true.
Ashley's gonna get some henna done. I think what she's getting is called Fabulous. So cool.
It looks awesome. This is probably the best one I've had.
We have hunted for dinosaurs. We have hunted for yetis. I think it's time to hunt for some actual animals on an actual safari.
Yeah.
It's only fitting at Animal Kingdom.
Now you're
Front row again.
I was gonna say here in Harambe. Wednesday. That means let's go. Well, talk to everybody. My name is
We're jumping back on Everest real quick. Rivers of Light is about to start in like 15 minutes. We may or may not see it.
Oh yeah. That thing is good looking.
The deer is by far more terrifying than the Yeti. What we really should be looking out for on this ride are deer. How'd you like the back? We had to watch it from the edge, but we watched it.
Yeah, we did.
Well, that is going to be all for Disney Day 1. I'm in the hotel room. Ashley's in the room next door. Let's see if I can. Well, she is in the room next door, so we may hear a knock eventually. I am so excited for tomorrow. So excited for another Disney day. We've got Epcot, Hollywood Studios in the morning. So I'm gonna get some sleep so that I can actually enjoy it. So choose virtue, choose life. So long for now.